Have you ever It's life giving you a chance to grow stronger, deeper, wiser. For example, you didn't get the job you wanted. Amor Fati says, "Good. Now you'll learn, redirect, or find something better. Even pain becomes purposeful." Practice. Instead of saying, "Why is this happening to me?" try, "What is this teaching me?" Every moment is either a test or a tool. 5. Journaling and reflection. When you arise in the morning, think of what a precious privilege it is to be alive. Marcus Aurelius. Marcus Aurelius journaled daily, but not for others. It was a private space to wrestle with thoughts, correct behavior, and build clarity. Journaling is your Stoic gym. You train your mind by writing it out. You unload anxieties onto the page and reclaim calm through self-awareness. Prompts to try. What am I worrying about? Is it in my control? What virtue can I practice today? How did I respond to stress today? How can I improve? Even 5 minutes a day can transform your mental clarity. Write it down. Own your mind. 6. Memento Mori. Remember you must die. You could leave life right now. Let that determine what you do and say and think. Marcus Aurelius. Far from depressing, this reminder is powerfully focusing. When you reflect on death, you stop wasting time. You zoom out. You realize that most daily stresses are meaningless in the big picture. You start speaking more kindly, making bolder choices, and cherishing life instead of fearing it. Ask yourself daily, if today were my last, would I stress about this? What legacy am I building with today's actions? Use death as a compass, not to fear, but to live deeply. You fear less when you remember what's truly worth your time. 7. Practicing virtue over emotion. If it is not right, do not do it. If it is not true, do not say it. Marcus Aurelius. The Stoics believed virtue is the only true good, not money, fame, or even comfort. That means, even when you're stressed or anxious, your North Star is doing what's right, not what's easy or reactive. So when life throws chaos at you, respond with courage, justice, wisdom, or temperance. Not anger, fear, or panic. Next time you're overwhelmed, ask, what virtue can I practice here? How would a wise person act in this moment? When your values lead, anxiety has no room to take over. Life will always bring waves, pressure, fear, setbacks. But Stoicism teaches you to sail through storms without drowning in them. You don't control the wind, but you control the sails, and that's enough to keep going.